Straight flight and turning assistance are activated. I launch the Swift forward, and I do not touch the controls. It flies straight on its own. Watch my hands to see the real-time control inputs. Use the right control stick to make turns. A half turn and a full turn depend on how long you hold the right stick fully to the side. The longer you hold, the tighter and more complete the turn. Once the bird is pointing in the desired direction, return the stick to center to stop the turn. I keep the throttle roughly the same. I begin my turn about 1.50 meters before the wall. When I get close to the ceiling, I reduce the throttle. The tail slightly lowered, turning assistance reduced. I will let it fly across the entire room before initiating the turn. When the bird turns, it naturally loses a bit of altitude. This actually helps us control the height. To maintain altitude, I add a little more throttle during the turn. By increasing the throttle and making more frequent, quicker turns, I can precisely manage altitude. In other words, I use the turns themselves to control height. You can take off from a table. Just push the throttle to full until it lifts off, then reduce it.